What's happening, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. On a beautiful day in Connecticut, going on a nice morning walk, decided to stop and post up a little bit and make a video. You know, every morning I like to go through my comments and answer questions, and today we had gotten a question about sales rank, and I really wanted to dive into the importance of why you need to stop obsessing over sales rank when you're selling on Amazon. Now, for the folks who are new to my channel, my name's Steve. In the last 30 days, I've sold over $60,000 worth of products on Amazon FBA. Now, there's a lot of ways you can source products: thrift stores, garage sales, auctions. I buy a lot of my items from eBay.com. So I buy items from eBay.com. They show up to my house. I put them in a box, label them, price them, and ship them to Amazon FBA. I've actually done a little over $13,000 in profit the last 30 days with this method. So what I'm going to share with you today comes from first-hand experience. Now, before we get into the video, I do want to mention, for anyone who wants to learn how to be able to source literally infinite amount of products from eBay.com and flip them for 3 to 4 times as much on Amazon while working from home, definitely check out my free training. It's going down actually August 3rd, Thursday, which is tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So we have 500 virtual seats available. It's 100% free. I'm going to share a ton of value and would love for you to come and watch live and hang out with me. So I'll drop the link down below. But let's get into this video. A lot of sellers, they obsess over sales rank. And I want to tell you right now, sales rank isn't as important as you would think. Why? Because sales rank is just a snapshot in time of the sales velocity of a specific ASIN. Let me put that in simpler terms. Sales rank is literally just taking a picture in time of how that product is selling right now. But sales rank only indicates how it's doing right now. It doesn't really give you a long-term view, right? Think of it this way. Say you have a lemonade stand, right? And it's a beautiful sunny day in Seattle and you're selling a bunch of lemonade, right? That seems like it's good. Like, that's sales rank, taking a snapshot in time. Oh, wow, we sold 50 cups of lemonade. Like, wow, the sales rank is fantastic. But in Seattle, it rains all the time. Maybe that same lemonade stand is closed or doesn't sell any more than 3 or 4 or 5, really, on average, over a 2-3 month period because it's raining all the time. Well, the sales rank, if you looked at it today, would look amazing because it's a beautiful sunny day. But if normally it's not that great, then you're actually investing in a product or buying into this lemonade stand idea, and it's actually not as good as it looks, right? So the downside to sales rank, it's a really short window of time you're looking at, whereas what I like to look at is monthly sales or the average sales over 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, instead of just rank. Now, for anyone using Scout IQ, they have a metric that is called eScore, which essentially is going to share with you how many monthly sales there's been or how many sales there's been over a 6-month period. Now, for anybody who uses Keepa, 20 bucks a month, if you're selling on Amazon, Keepa is so important. Can you sell on Amazon without Keepa? Yes, but why would you? Why would you sell without it when you could see the variation statistics and buy box statistics and averages and different things like that? And I know there's a free version and a paid version, so I'm not sure if it shares with you some of those advanced data on the free account. But I pay the 20 bucks a month, and I love taking a look at the 30-day numbers, the 60-day numbers, the 90-day, the 180-day numbers. So I don't obsess over sales rank. Why? Sales rank is just a snapshot in time of today. I like to look at monthly sales or the eScore if I'm using Scout IQ, or if I'm doing online arbitrage, when I'm using SellerAmp, I can see how many sales per month. Or Keepa down at the bottom will tell me how many sales per month. I could look at the graph and see how many drops there are, but I really like to go into the data tab of Keepa and look at the 30, 60, 90-day averages. What's the buy box doing? What's the sales rank doing? How many sellers are on the listing? So when people ask me, is this a good deal? Is this thing going to sell quickly? Unfortunately, sales rank's just a single metric that's going to only answer a little bit of a question for you. When I'm analyzing a deal, I'm not just looking at the sales rank. I'm looking at how many sellers are on the listing, how many have been on the listing, where's the buy box been? Is the buy box going to a merchant? Is the buy box going to FBA? Are there variations? If there are variations, then I want to dive into the variations tab and see what product's most popular. Is Amazon on the listing? If they're on the listing, are they sharing the buy box? How do you check the buy box statistics? Go into Keepa, go into the buy box statistics tab and go take a look and see what percentages the buy box are being given to, right, to the different sellers. So sales rank's just a snapshot in time. That's why Keepa is so important, because you could see so many more metrics and you could see a longer view to be able to make a better decision. So hopefully this video helped. If it did, then definitely give it a like, leave a comment. Looking forward to seeing everybody on the training tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern time. If you're brand new, you don't know where to start, check out my free 5-day book selling workshop down below. But with that being said, keep on picking and making that money, and I'll see you in the next video.